Our plan is to pull these heads off, pull the connecting rods out, take a look at the bushings. If that proves fruitful, the front and the rear covers can stay on. It'll just be heads and then take the rods out. That's what I'm shooting for. Let's do that right now. Not really seeing any metal. I don't know. We'll see. Let's keep going. This is what I wanted to see. Oh my God, it is pristine. Okay, that's pristine. That's good. Okay, so I thought I saw number one acting a little funky. Let's see if we got side to side. No, it's tight. Oh, okay. Oh crap. Dang, those look good. That's a connecting rod right there. Let me go ahead and hold on to that. No, that is pretty beautiful. No, pristine. Those are all good. Nope. No. Pristine. Nope. No. All these are great. No way. Not a rod bushing. Rod bushings are good. Rod bushings are good, rod bearings are good. So not a rod bushing or a rod bearing. I have already went through and looked at all the lifters. They all look good. No, I don't think we have a lifter issue. All right, so do you think I just had a dirty install? Maybe I didn't have something clean enough. Something freaking else. Main bearing, could be one of them lifters, have a spot on it. Or a main. I don't know. So with that said, where do we go? So let's just take a look around at what we have disassembled. Heads look good. You see this stuff like right there? Look, it wipes right off. That's the head gasket. Deck surfaces look great. We absolutely will be able to clean these up without sanding them. This would just be a cleanup. See all that down at the bottom? Look, it wipes right off. See? So all of that looks great. See like that? That's head gasket. See, gone. Yeah, that looks fine. Let's go to the rods. One. Two. Three. Wear, but no failure. The wrist pins and the pistons were existing. That one kind of got a little. So that's number 8. And 1. A little shinier on the top end. You can tell it had something in it. Not enough to damage it though. Okay, so whatever the heck is going on, I mean, you can still see the still cross hatch in there. Deck surface looks great. Just needs cleaned off, that's it. We did clean the heck out of the carbon ridge before we pulled the pistons out, so they should be just fine. Well, let me know if you guys see anything, if you saw anything, if have ideas. We got to see the mains, because right now we either have a lifter that I can't see, it's a little screwed up, but if we go back together and all the mains look like that and the lifters all look good, I don't know what to say. I don't know. I mean, if that's the case, then we have to chalk that up to a dirty install. We have to, but we haven't seen the mains yet.